We are looking at how to pronounce all the numbers from 1 to 10 in Spanish. Spanish counting 1 to 10. Number 1 is uno. 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 Stress on the first syllable. Uno. Dos. Dos. It's easy. Tres. Tres. If you can't roll your R, you can say tres. Tres. Cuatro. 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 With a stress on the A. Cuatro. Cinco. Cinco. So in Spain, many would pronounce it with a TH sound as the first C, not cinco, but cinco with a th sound. That would be in some parts of central Spain. Now in South America, cinco with an S sound. So cinco or cinco. Seis, seis, that's easy. Siete, siete, siete. Ocho, ocho, a ch sound, stress on the first syllable. Nueve is number 9. Nueve, of course the V sounds like a B in Spanish. Nueve. Diez, diez. So it's the same story here. The Z in Spain is generally said like TH in this case, while in other parts of Spain and South America it be pronounced like an S. So some would say it as diez, others like diez, diez, proper central Spain, diez. So let's start again. All the numbers. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. And now you know. More videos here to learn more Spanish, including if you want to learn more numbers after the number 10. Here is a video for you. I suggest you keep learning counting Spanish with that video there. I'll see you there. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.